Welcome back to Eizy Customizer. Here we build, we share, and we inspire you guys. My name is Eizy, and today I'm going to show you guys how to kit batching, how to customizing and turning your plastic model kit into transformable mecha using plastic model kit by Bandai, the 30 minutes mission. The kits that I use for this custom build is the Alto White version with the option armor number 9 and also the Air Fighter also in white color. The first thing to do is to attach all the armor parts on the Alto, and then you can decide which part you want to use it for this design. Disassemble all the parts from the Air Fighter like this. Use extra runners to make the packed connection and cut them like this. I don't want to use this original head design with the armor, and I changed it to this new Air Fighter head design. It looks much cooler compared to the first one. Next is use the runners to make the mail pack for the shoulder on both sides. Find these two parts from the Air Fighter kit and attach them on the both shoulders. Remove the side armor and then you will see a female connection there. Get the wings from the Air Fighter and use them as the side skirt for the design. The wing part has a lot of gimmicks that you can do, and it looks pretty awesome as the side skirt. The Air Fighter kit comes with a new set of fit that look really nice and also have these movable wheels on them. Next, use the runners to make another male connection for this thruster. You can get this thruster also from the Air Fighter kit. Combine this part from the option part number 9 with the parts from the Air Fighter. So simply you can get an extra weapon with a shield for the right hand and a gun for the left hand. At the back, use another runner and change it to the male connection, so you can put this part also from the Air Fighter at the back. For the transformation, this is the Partformer method, so you need to disassemble all the parts again, starting from the parts on both shoulder, the head part, and also the parts at the back of the head. This part from the back and also the pack that you made before. The feet, you need to remove that one too. Remove the shield with the weapon and also the connector too. For the first step is get this part from the Air Fighter, and you will see there's two holes on both sides like this, and this is the same transformation like the Kyrios and the Arios Gundam. You already made the pack on both shoulder and put the part like this and simply slide the male connector into the female connector like this. Just gently snap them like that. Fix the connection properly until you get a very solid upper piece like this. Next is the hand. Just rotate the hand and move it like that, and same goes with the other side right here. Get the extra runners and put them into the hand so you can make another pack like this on both sides. This is used to attach the wings that I will show you guys later. So for the wings, just flip this wing like this and then adjust the hand, so you will see there's a connection down here that you made, so you can put the pack, the male pack, into this hole right here. It fits properly in place, and then another one right here. Then put it slowly until you get a perfect fit. So let's go the wings. The leg is using the same transformation style like the Gundam Zeta, so just bend them over like this, and then get this part from the air fighter kit. Remove the shield, and then you need to get another runners to make another male connectors for this part, and this is used to secure the legs at the back here. And you will see there's a female connector, so you just simply slide that in, so you will get a very secure part at the back here. And then flip this thrusters like that. There we go, we have a nice looking back. This is a part from the head, and put it at the front like this, the original position of the air fighter kit, and then readjust the front section, and then you can bend this wing like this. Since this is a reverse wing style, so you just want it to look very cool, you can do like this and rotate this front tiny wings and readjust everything like that. See, it looks pretty cool now. For the bottom part, get this connector from the shield, put it right here, so you can put the head down here. And then for the shield, use another pack and put it at the front, and then the shield. The extra thrusters from the air fighter, just put them at the back here. There's one, and then one more over here. Lastly, the landing gears. Just snap that one in, and then another one here. So the bottom part is complete. For the weapon, you can put it at the top of this model kit. Just use this backpack and just slide that one in like that. So we have a transformable 30 minutes mission plastic model kit, a kit bash, a customized that anyone can do it. So this is pretty one solid transformation, no loose part at all because you secure it with the runner. I hope you guys enjoy my simple tips and tricks on how to kit bashing, very straightforward using the runners with the parts from the Bandai kits that you can get out there, and hopefully this give out many ideas and make your own design, especially a transformable kit, kind of very challenging, and it is quite fun to do it. So that's all the video for today.
That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, RZ Eizy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on RZ Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.